Hi, I'm working on this 2000 and I believe it was a Ford F-150, and the customer put a ABS module, a used one, in it, and I was going through it, and then I could not find the as-built to manually put the coating into it so it can collide, so it can work together. So what I had to do is, so when you first put the car and you hook up the machine, you leave the ignition to the off position and you let it go. And even when it says turn the switch on, do not turn the switch on. Let it go so it doesn't see the car. And when it doesn't see the car, you're going to see where you have a manual input. So when you see this manual input, as you have the car off, you're going to get it to either where it says turn it off and on, but make sure that you keep the car off. And then it's going to say, going into the manual, it's going to say it doesn't see the diagnostic connector. Then you go to all others, and then we stop. So when you're in all others, you can see you're either going to need the PCM part number, calibration number, or tear tag number. I usually use the tear tag number, and I'm going to show you how you can find the tear tag number. And able to find the as-built data and the tear tag, you have to go to motorcraftservice.com. And when you have this, you'll go into free resources. Go to your quick guides here. Then as you scroll down, you're going to see where it says as-built. Module built data. It's right below the Maverick hybrid modifiers. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you to another window to where you have the VIN and then your code. So let's put the VIN in. Then put your code in. Submit it, and it's going to bring up your PCM, your ABS, all your as-built. But if you look right up here, you're going to see that there's the tear tag. So once you find the tear tag, you go back to your regular program for the Motorcraft. You can see here where the as-built is at a PJP1. Where it says tear tag on the third one down, you put the PJP1. You don't have to put the VIN in, just go ahead and let it go through as a blank VIN. Go into your toolbox, go into your module programming, then go into module programming installation, PMI. So when you go into the PMI, you go to your ABS, click on your ABS, click your check mark. And this is going to start the process. So at this time, you have to turn the ignition on and run this thing as it says on your IDS. You put the VIN in. So as we put the VIN in, so as you can see the VIN, we're just going to enter the VIN in. Now, just remember that as far as the IDS or the Motorcraft Service FJDS, it thinks it's a blank computer at this point because we went to others instead of letting it pick out the VIN. So once the VIN ends, go ahead and hit your check mark, and then it's going to go into that next stage of verifying. So if this is correct, press your yes button, and we're going to go into it now. Turn the key off and then click your check. And now this is when it's going to give you the as-built data. So now you have to bring your page that you wrote down or took a picture of, or you screenshot it, bring this up as now, and then we start doing the as-built data. So to the left, you see where it says 760-1101, and then that's when you start putting your numbers in. Now we're at 760-0102. Then you see it 7600103. And then you can see here we're 4E41 3532 3899. Then we're just going to go through each field as you go. Now, just remember the 760 is just a reference number for you to put the coding in. The coding is a hexadecimal number, which turns into a binary number, which actually ends up coding the ABS module. So once we get done with this, then we're going to hit the check mark, and then it's going to say calibration complete. So now that you have completed the coding for the module, you'll go in and just follow the directions that it says, and then, install the new module, which you already have the new one already installed. So when you hit your check mark, it's going to go in, and then you're going to see that it has the incorrect VIN, but don't worry about that. You're going to see it go completed and the VINs automatically be put in. So as you do this, make sure that you exit out and then make sure that you clear the codes through the whole system, because you will get U codes, and that should be it. You should be able to start the car and it should be ABS light off. So if you guys are interested into programming vehicles at atrguide.com, we offer different packages of computers and JBoxes and maintainers to where we can mentor you into showing you how to program vehicles and different manufacturers of vehicles. So take a look at our atrguide.com and then see if we can help you guys out. Thanks for watching this video, and we will talk to you later. I want to thank you for watching this YouTube. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the bell for notification. Thanks.